Welcome to the best picks. The best dollhouse is probably one of the most cherished and imaginative toys a young girl can receive, offering a miniature world where stories unfold and creativity knows no bounds. These enchanting playsets allow children to step into the shoes of decorators, parents, and storytellers, fostering essential developmental skills through engaging, hands-on play. From charming cottages to grand mansions, each dollhouse provides a unique canvas for a child's imagination to flourish, making it a timeless gift that sparks joy and encourages hours of delightful exploration. Number 5. Delta Children Deluxe Toy Box, Disney Minnie Mouse. Introducing the Disney Minnie Mouse Deluxe Toy Box from Delta Children. It's the perfect place to store all your little one's toys. This toy box offers ample space for stuffed animals, building blocks, and more. Keep playtime tidy and organized with ease. Crafted with safety in mind, it features a sturdy construction that's built to last. The smooth finish ensures no sharp edges. With its charming Minnie Mouse theme, it sparks imagination and adds a touch of magic to any playroom. Let their adventures begin. Setting up this delightful toy box is a breeze. You'll have it ready for playtime in no time. Trust Delta Children for quality and style. This toy box combines fun and functionality for your child's room. What we like. If you're looking for a fun and organized way to store your little one's toys, this is a fantastic option. Its charming Disney Minnie Mouse theme will delight any fan, and the durable construction ensures it can withstand plenty of play. Choose this if you need a sturdy and themed toy box that keeps clutter at bay. What people say. The toy is made of durable plastic and has smooth edges, making it safe for young children. It features bright, engaging colors that capture a child's attention and encourage imaginative play. The interactive buttons produce fun sounds and lights, adding an extra layer of engagement for toddlers. Number 4. Beverly Hills Sweet Lil Family Bendable Mini Dollhouse Figures. Introducing the Beverly Hills Sweet Lil Family, a complete set of 9 adorable figures designed for endless pretend play. This collection brings a whole family to life, ready for your child's imagination. Each member of this charming family is perfectly sized for little hands to hold and play with. Their detailed designs and realistic faces make every storytelling adventure feel more engaging and exciting. Crafted from durable, non-toxic materials, these figures are made to last through countless hours of play. They are designed to withstand everyday use and even roughhousing, ensuring they remain a favorite toy. With bendable heads, arms, and legs, these dolls can be posed in countless ways. Your child can make them sit, stand, or act out any scene, making pretend play more interactive and imaginative than ever before. Safety tested and made with your child in mind, these figures are a wonderful choice for any occasion. They come in a colorful gift-ready box, making them an ideal present for birthdays or holidays. What we like. For the child who loves imaginative storytelling and dollhouses, this set is perfect. It offers a full family with posable limbs, encouraging creative play and interaction. If your child enjoys creating family scenarios and needs figures that can be easily manipulated, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The toy is made of high-quality, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for children. It features a variety of interactive elements that stimulate cognitive development and problem-solving skills. The design is colorful and engaging, capturing the attention of young children and encouraging imaginative play. Number 3. SpringFlower Girls Garden Building Kit. Introducing a delightful building kit designed for young creators. It's perfect for sparking imagination and letting them construct their very own beautiful garden. With interchangeable parts, the possibilities for design are truly endless. Kids can mix and match to create unique floral arrangements every time they play. Crafted from upgraded, non-toxic ABS plastic, this toy ensures safety for little hands. Its smooth surface and durable design make it perfect for hours of worry-free play, indoors or out. This engaging kit is more than just fun, it's an educational STEM toy. It helps develop crucial skills like creativity, concentration, and hand-eye coordination while learning about plants. Watch as they spend hours building, sorting, and decorating. This toy provides a wonderful way for children to express themselves and beautify their space. Looking for a special gift? This building set is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, offering a unique and rewarding play experience. What we like. If your child enjoys hands-on activities and learning, this garden building kit is a wonderful pick. It fosters creativity, fine motor skills, and an understanding of plants through play. Consider this if you want an engaging STEM toy that offers endless combinations and can be used both indoors and outdoors. What people say. The toy is designed to be safe for children, with no small parts that could be a choking hazard. It features a variety of interactive elements that keep children engaged and entertained for hours. The durable construction ensures that the toy can withstand rough play and last for a long time. Number 2. Bemetu Unicorn Glow in the Dark Water Bottle Kit. Introducing a magical craft kit that lets you design your very own sparkling water bottle. It's packed with everything you need for hours of creative fun. This bottle is made with your child's safety in mind, using BPA-free, food-grade materials. The easy sip straw and secure strap make it perfect for on-the-go hydration. Add a touch of enchantment. The special diamond stickers charge in the light and glow magically in the dark, making your creation truly unique. Looking for a unique gift? This kit combines the joy of arts and crafts with the excitement of creating a personalized unicorn water bottle. It's ideal for birthdays or holidays. Let their imagination shine. With a variety of dazzling stickers, including gems and unicorn designs, they can create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. This all-in-one kit comes with the bottle, a fidget keychain, a strap, pendants, and a complete diamond painting set. All you need is creativity. What we like. This is an ideal gift for the unicorn-loving artist in your life. It combines crafting with a fun glow-in-the-dark element, making the personalized water bottle truly special. If your child enjoys arts and crafts and loves unique, personalized items, this kit offers a magical and engaging experience. What people say. This toy is very durable and has survived multiple drops without any damage. The interactive features keep my daughter engaged for hours. She loves the lights and sounds. Assembly was straightforward, and all the parts were included. Number 1. Jumbl Wooden Sweet Treats Playset. Introducing a charming wooden sweet treats playset, perfect for little entrepreneurs. It's a dream come true for any child with a sweet tooth, offering hours of imaginative fun. This high-quality dessert cart comes with over 20 toy accessories. Your child can create custom ice cream cones, cupcakes, and more with interchangeable flavors and toppings. It's designed for realistic play, helping children hone their motor skills as they move the cart. Interactive features also encourage imaginative role-play and communication. Assembly is simple for parents, and the cart features intuitive storage. Spacious drawers and a freezer compartment make cleanup a breeze. This playset makes an impressive gift for birthdays or any special occasion. It's ideal for creative boys and girls who love to pretend and play. They can have fun indoors or outdoors all year long with this versatile playset. It easily fits in any room, encouraging year-round enjoyment. What we like. For the little entrepreneur with a sweet tooth, this playset is a dream come true. It offers a realistic pretend business experience with plenty of accessories and interactive features. If you're looking for a durable, engaging toy that encourages imaginative role-play, problem-solving, and even early business skills, this dessert cart is a top contender. What people say. This toy is very durable and has survived many drops. The lights and sounds on this toy are engaging for young children. It comes with several accessories that add to the play value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.